shot that truck up too.
Yeah, they shot that truck up too.
They shot that truck up like a bitch because he was trying to hide behind. Yeah, he trying to hide behind.
The truck had got shot up too.
Moe3 got killed, nephew.
Come on, he on live support. No, he ain't no live support.
Moe3 is dead.
Moe3 dead.
Hold on.
I don't know where you getting that shit from. I'm right. I ain't on Facebook. I'm live.
We live right here.
We live, baby. We ain't on no Facebook. We live like a bitch.
Beefing those stupid.
Nah, I'm just saying we live. They bullshit.
Just keep getting your money, man. You hear me, nephew? I love you, my nigga.
Yeah, man.
I ain't trying.
Live, man. Look at all them white shirts.
All that
No, them white shirts ain't playing, nigga. They shot this truck up like a bitch.
The truck got shot up too.
God damn, that bitch shot.
I guess he was trying to bag back or something to the traffic.
I'm trying to see
the stop traffic.
God damn, boy, they dumped that bitch, boy.
That shit like crazy.
It looked like another car on the other side of this truck. Hold on.
Nah, man, them boys been to a real truck.
Damn, bro.
Man, hey, if you can really look down there, it's so many little shell cases things, little number things. Hold on. You look down there on the ground. Little shell cases thing.
Nigga, that's like a drop. What y'all looking at?
You see them little things down there sitting on the ground?
Oh, yeah.
In front of the car.
God damn.
Look all them shell cases. They can put them down.
Boy, they was dumping at that nigga
Yeah,
ass,
they
boy.
she trying to kill that nigga for real, man.
Damn, man. Rest up, Mo.
That's a hit there, boy.
Rest up, Mo, man. Rest up, Mo, man. God damn. Look at all them shell case thing down on the ground, man. Little yellow cone
They
thing.
got about 30 round clip on that bitch or something.
Damn, man.
God damn.
I ain't got nothing but 8%, y'all. Hold on. Let me. There we go. Look, y'all see the car right there. See how it's like, look like it done got shot up towards the ground.
A lot of goddamn smells.
Damn, man, rest up, Mo. Shouldn't want no. Hey, Smash, I had to get a good scenery, you know. So look. It's Walk TV. Hold on. I'm trying to get more closer I can get, y'all. Hold on. I'm telling you, I only got 8% now. Oh shit. Hold on. I'm getting closer. There we go. There we go. There we go. Y'all see? See how that car, look at that car. It's down like shit, tires probably done got shot out too. It's lent, it's bent in the front. Hold on. You don't see all the little orange cones down there? Yeah, the little things down on the ground. Yeah, they done earth that whole out, man. It done got shot up, man. The car bent over, the truck shot up. You probably didn't see it first, but you seen it second on Walk TV, goddamn it. For real.